Got an extra clip.
Yeah, your boy is definitely gonna need ammo after a fight. I think it's niggas here because them birds just flew away.
What did this man just say?
I don't know at this point.
That's a
That's
The
your
sound.
man.
birds flew.
This nigga is a Warzone expert. This nigga is a Warzone expert, bro. I ain't playing with
I got
y'all
a
no
trophy
more.
system in my back pocket. Oh yeah, folks know a little too much, bro.
This nigga, it's some extra ammo if y'all need it. It's some extra ammo because the boxes give you stopping rounds. When you break a window, that means the house has windows.
They said the birds flew away. This nigga's calling the birds flew away.
Wait, that means winter's coming.
Folks said the birds flew away.
Oh man, what's
Dang,
coming?
boy, you a bad mother trucker, boy.
Hey, that nigga said, well, the birds flew, but that means somebody
Yeah,
else man,
boy.
cuz.
Oh,
Hey, that nigga said,
That nigga
hey,
said
it
the
love
birds flew
smooth,
away.
man. What that do without smooth, bro?
hey.
I talk about them, my boy said it's so confident, bro.
Oh,
Like
man.
that
It's
nigga,
like for
that nigga
real,
said
like
what
when
the
nobody
fuck we
finna
talking
stop
about,
and
bro.
say,
Like, bro,
I said,
bro, nobody knew.
I said, bro, what,
Wait.
bro, say you what? Oh. Hey, bro, that nigga smooth. That let you know that nigga smooth is on a whole nother level, dog.
Watch it be watch that shit be a glitch or something.
For real, bro.
Next week.
Oh man.
Smooth on a whole nother level, bro. That's
You a
just what it
cold piece,
is, bro.
dog.
That ain't even that crazy.
Hey man.
Look, now he trying to lead a group. Look at him.
No, I'm
Look,
gonna be
look.
cautious, man.
Hey, that boy,
Hey,
trying
bro.
to get ringleader.
Nigga don't left the group now. Look at him, man. He
You
got
never
his
be
little
too
bag
cautious, man.
on.
That's all it is.
Man, he messing the
No,
bag
bro,
up.
I'm in the middle of the pack, bro. I'm in the middle of the pack.
Buy station.